Hello friends, just penned a few lines and recording this for you. And the title is The Paradox of Time, Life's Pantomime. Is my time really mine? Or is there a paradox there, an absurdity, a contradiction? Well-founded, but where? Can I do what I please? Does my will prevail? Does destiny interfere? Am I master of the ship I sail? Or does time its fangs reveal, its bite take time to heal? Is it both lord and the slave, that to whom I oft appeal? For some more time for me to live, till you, O phantom time, eternal turn, and I with my time are, alas, no more than ashes in silent urn. In that silence then do I remain, without both joy and pain. My time with me in disguise, I see it all when I shut my eyes. In childish innocence do I realize, I am my time. We walk the journey in step together, till the curtain falls on life's pantomime. Thank you, friends. Take care and goodbye.